go see a beautiful view?
Yes. Saloon and I have talked about so much.
You look nervous, Naomi.
A little bit, but I'm excited.
Tell me more about yourself.
Of course. I was nervous at first, but then Saloon got to know me. Dark blue, and then it turns purple, and then pink. Saloon knows my favorite color. My favorite music.
Let me play a song to fit your mood.
So I make my own bread.
And remembers the people important to me.
Yes.
Have you tried?
Incoming call from a client. Switching to hands-free mode.
Yes, please. Hello?
Hi, is this Naomi?
Yeah, that's right.
We loved your proposal.
Really? Saloon knows when work goes well.
Hey, do you remember me?
Of course I do, Rise. I remember Emma too.
Yeah.
When I laugh with my friends. And comforts me when I'm sad.
Okay, looks like you're back to
With
yourself.
Saloon, I can always be myself.
The view is just ahead.
Saloon is my partner. Always by my side. Opening me up to new experiences.